Today I will show you how to change the lock, the OJMAR coin lock, from the token lock. Our first step is to remove the coin box using the coin box key. We then remove this plate with 3 screws. If the key is inserted, you must release it by inserting a token. This will allow us to remove the core using the core removal key. And then the body by removing these 4 screws. Installation is the reverse. We will start with the coin lock body. The plate, the coin box is locked in with the key. Slide it up. Locked into place. The core is inserted with the user keys. Turn the core and the key until it bottoms out clockwise. Insert it. Turn the key counterclockwise until it locks in. Finito.